Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are making the fudgy, the moist, the yummy, low-calorie chocolate cake. So if you are a chocolate lover and you are diet conscious, then this cake is for you. The cake itself has 50 calories per slice roughly, and if you put the frosting, it's going to be nearly 60 calories. So without wasting our time, let's jump into the recipe. So first we'll prepare the wet ingredients. For this I took ham milk, yogurt, egg and vanilla essence. Trust me, you are not going to taste the yogurt. Yogurt is just to make the cake more tender and moist without sacrificing our taste. And whisk everything well and keep it aside. Now here I have grounded my oats into powder, and I took baking soda and cocoa powder and stevia instead of sugar. You can use any other alternative of sugar as you like. And then I'm going to mix everything with the wet ingredient. Mix them well until no lumps left. Mix, mix, mix. This cake is super easy and it's delicious. On another side, preheat your oven and make your pan ready. Now here I'm adding all the batter into my pan. I have already prepared my pan with a parchment paper. Pour all the batter in the pan and bake it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until you see that the cake is done and the toothpick comes out clean. Let the cake cool on room temperature. As you can see, it's really moist and dense. Now let's prepare the frosting. So here I'm using 40 grams of cacao powder, 30 grams of stevia instead of sugar, and here I have around 15 to 20 grams of corn flour and half a cup of milk. Whisk everything together until no lumps left. Keep on mixing, and then we are going to cook it on low heat. Make sure you cook it on low heat, otherwise it will get burnt. Once it thickens, then it's done. Let it cool on room temperature. So let's start the fun part, that is decorating my cake with a delicious low-calorie frosting. If you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated. I am posting more than one video every week. So this delicious cake is going to be topped with the fruits, fresh fruits. I'm using here strawberries, some frozen blueberries and almond slices. Or you can decorate the cake as you like according to your calorie intake. Remove the parchment paper and you will see that the cake sides are nicely neat and clean. Cut it, serve it and enjoy it with your friends and family. Look, isn't it mouth-watering? I am so happy with this recipe. I really want you to try and enjoy it with your friends and family. Do let me know in the comment section below what would you like to see next. Thanks for watching. If you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.